welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 142 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse collection. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Casa de Muñecas. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright, so we have everything out of the plastic, and now it's time to take an up-close look at the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 142. If you would like to see the previous 141, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And I'm very sorry, but our dog Max has decided that now is the perfect moment to go and get water. Yeah. Oh well. Hi! Hi! Anyway, back to the magazine. Let's open this up. And here it says, the library of the dollhouse of Queen Maria. Here's the library. And here it talks about perfume and cosmetics. And I'm getting pretty excited because soon we will be at the end of this collection, and I can't wait to build the dollhouse with you guys. It's gonna be so fun, and I can't wait to do it. You guys let me know what you're excited about building for the dollhouse the most. I'm kind of really excited about doing the front and putting all of the furniture in the house once it's built. Honestly, I'm a bit nervous about doing the wallpaper and getting it perfect, but we'll get to that when we get to that. And now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have the new addition to our dollhouse. It's this cute little chair, but I'm just going to open this up so we can get a nice good look at it. For me, it looks just super adorable. Let me just grab this, put the box aside. Oh, it's really cute. I mean, I think I would add maybe some things to make it just a little bit more cute. But I really like this gingham, pink gingham fabric that they use. But I would probably put either ribbon or a little bit of lace here around the edges, around the seams. So I think I'm gonna do that when I get to building the dollhouse. And that's going to be coming soon, so make sure to stay tuned. You guys tell me, what do you guys think of our new dollhouse chair? Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does
Gaming how-to, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys.
But well, I will have his links down in the description below. And well, we will see you next time, huh, Max? Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.